What'd you say?
I said everything's under control.
Buddy, you can't fit through that hole. No, you'll hurt yourself.
I will say out.
What's Dante and Satara doing? Oh, she barking at Dante? She probably wants Dante's ball, right? What do you think? Yeah?
She's get as fast as she can get.
She can get it as fast as she can?
Yeah.
What do you think, fast as a fox?
Get it there. Get it. Out. Just like little baby Dad.
You're gonna what?
You'll say out. Just like Woody does, okay?
Just like Woody, eh?
Yes. Everything's under control.
Was that right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna try again?
Everything's under control.
I'm sure it is.
I'm sure it is too.
Yeah?
I will see you at the finish line, okay?
You gonna see me at the finish line, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you. Hey, get out of that. We already talked about this.
Everything's under control, I said.
Oh, excuse me. Is that right? I don't think the Easter Bunny would be too happy if you did that. No, he wouldn't. I love you. I'm sure. Say bye.